Radiant skin is a dream for many, but how can we achieve it without relying on chemical products? In this video, we will explore natural beauty methods that help you achieve glowing skin without expensive cosmetics. Let's dive in. Healthy skin begins with choosing the right natural ingredients. Why is this important? Natural ingredients are not only safe, but also rich in nutrients that rejuvenate the skin from deep within. Did you know that by using turmeric, rice flour, or rose water, you have beauty treasures that rival any high-end product? Turmeric benefits. Turmeric is a king for anti-inflammatory, brightening skin, and preventing acne. When mixed with milk or honey, it creates a mask that soothes the skin and restores its natural barrier. Rice flour benefits. Its fine texture gently exfoliates dead skin cells without irritation, leaving pores clean and skin smooth. Rose water benefits. As a natural toner, rose water balances pH, soothes irritation, and provides a refreshing aroma that relaxes the mind. Did you know that massage not only helps you relax, but also stimulates blood circulation, giving you rosy and firm skin? This is why gentle massage is an essential part of natural beauty routines. How to perform. Use your fingertips to gently massage your face in circular motions. This enhances blood circulation, boosts nutrient absorption, reduces puffiness, and firms facial muscles for a youthful look. Beautiful skin doesn't just come from external care, but also stems from inner peace. Meditation not only relieves stress, but also stimulates the body's natural regeneration processes. When your soul is calm, your skin reflects health and radiance. Meditation benefits. When you relax and breathe deeply, your body gets more oxygen, stimulating skin cell regeneration and reducing signs of fatigue. This results in brighter, more even-toned, and vibrant skin. How to practice. Spend 10 to 15 minutes daily meditating. Focus on your breath and visualize positive energy flowing into your body. This clears negative thoughts and restores mental balance, enhancing your skin's appearance. Achieving glowing skin isn't hard if you use natural and easy methods at home. Start changing your skincare routine today and be amazed by the results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tips.